everybody, welcome to Cosmic Kids, and we are gonna make a session with yoga. We do this and say Namaste. It's pretty easy. We just do our listening up like this. Okay, but first we have to do our lessons with a component that's very relaxing. Like that. Okay. First we get up and we're going to do this and then do that. Okay, now it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. You just put your feet here, and then you put your head here, and you put this here, and then you made a rainbow. It's pretty easy. We just do our listening up like this. It's pretty easy now. And then when you're done, you just show everybody we're going to do one more thing, and then we are done and do the last thing. We do this and say Namaste. Like that. It's pretty easy. Okay, so first you do it like this and then peel around and then curve around the heart shape, and then you twinkle, twinkle, little heart shape. How I love you, little heart shape. And then like that. It's pretty easy. And then you do this, and this is a real star. That's a human star. And then you do twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay. We just do our listening up like this. It's pretty easy now. This is the last thing. It's pretty easy. We just do our listening up like this. We do this and say Namaste. And then we do one more thing. That's part of yoga. Okay, when you're done, you do this. Like that. So, and click the video when you want to see me again. And click the video when you want to see me again.
And click the video when you want to see me again.